Arutwo makiria ya milioni 1.5 nio meyandikithitie gwika igeranio cia bururi cia KCPE na KCSE mwaka uyu. Minister wa githomo baruthi Amina Mohammed augite honge itiganite cia thirikari ni ciehotorete kuona igeranio icio ni ciatabanio na njira ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
We're crisscrossing the country to just make sure that all our schools are ready for the exams. We have been to border areas. My colleagues have just come from Arabia, which is on the Kenya-Somalia border, and to just make sure that if there are any challenges that they are addressed on time.
Muikariri giti wa kanji ya igeranio bururi-ini NEC George Magoha ni ateanĩire riboti cia kũiywo kwa igeranio akiuria Kenya matige kũingĩria ũteti maũndũ-inĩ ma gĩthomo na igeranio.
The examination process is sacrosanct. It has not leaked and shall not leak, and that we do not want to politicize the examination process.
Amina ongereire kuga arĩa megũkuruhanio na ũici wa kĩgeranio nimekuoerwo makinya ma watho makiria aciari arĩa megwĩtĩkĩria ciana ciao gũkuua thimu kĩgeranio-inĩ.
Their children will be immediately suspended from school, and such candidates will not be allowed to sit the examinations. Only center managers will be allowed to possess, and we've said this before, mobile phones during the duration of the examinations.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kĩmathi wa Maina.